Hi guys! So, meron tayo dito KY5 mini earbuds. It comes with 4 freebies. Charger, etong hawakan, labubu stickers, and then yung nilalagay dito sa like mga players ng Mobile Legends. And right now, may tumutulak sa akin na i-try yung pagiging water resistant nito. So, let's try, guys. Here is our tubig. Yan. Here, 1, 2. Okay. Ayan. Ayan siya. And, itatry ko kung gagana pa siya. Okay. Kasi kung hindi, i-report ko yung seller nito. Okay. Ayan siya, guys. Here. Anyway, kukunin. Malaki pala yung... Wait. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's try. Ooh, connected. As you can tell, ay, hindi siya nagfo-focus. The fuck. Pero yan, connected siya. Ito. Here. Yan, 100% yung ating. And it's still working. Ayan. Ooh. Still working, guys. Waterproof talaga siya. Ayan. Check my yellow basket.